Welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Craft and Notion, two of the most popular productivity apps today. Whether you're a writer, student, or someone building a personal knowledge base, choosing the right tool can make a big difference. So, which one should you pick? Let's find out. Craft is primarily a document-focused writing app. Its strength lies in its polished, minimalist design, making it ideal for creating beautiful, structured notes or essays. Notion, on the other hand, is more of an all-in-one workspace. Notes, databases, Kanban boards, calendars, you name it. With Craft, you get a clean, intuitive interface that feels like you're working on a sleek digital notebook. It feels very responsive, and its document-based layout makes writing flow naturally. Notion's interface is much more flexible. Everything is block-based, which means you can embed just about anything, databases, images, tables, and more, but this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve. In Craft, organization is more document tree-oriented. You can nest pages, but the structure stays pretty linear and familiar. With Notion, you have powerful databases. You can create tables, boards, calendars, and link data between them. This makes Notion great if you want to build a knowledge base or a project management system. One of Craft's big advantages is its strong offline support. You can work even without an internet connection, and then sync later. Users also say it's faster and more responsive, especially on Apple devices. Notion does have offline capabilities, but they're more limited. You often need to preload pages, and performance can suffer when working offline. If you're working in a team or need database-driven workflows, Notion shines. It supports real-time collaboration, shared workspaces, and has a robust API with tons of integrations. Craft does support sharing and comments, but it's not as powerful for complex team-based workflows, and its integrations are more limited. Pricing depends on how you use each tool. Craft has a free plan with a limit on document creation, and paid plans around $10 per month for unlimited docs. Notion also has a free tier with generous limits and has plus and business plans depending on how many people you need and which features you want. Choose Craft if you prioritize writing quality and aesthetics, work mostly with documents, essays, or notes, need offline access regularly, and prefer a simpler, cleaner interface. Go for Notion if you need databases, project management, or task tracking, work with a team and need real-time collaboration, want to build a wiki, dashboard, or complex knowledge system, or want lots of customization and integrations. So, which one is better? It doesn't really boil down to one is better than the other, it depends on your use case. If you're a writer, journaler, or solo knowledge worker, Craft offers a beautiful and focused experience. If you're building a system with databases, tasks, and collaboration, Notion might be the more powerful choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tool reviews. Comment below. Are you a Craft user or a Notion fan? Which features matter most to you?